Hello, my name is Chef Ski, James Woroneski, and this is Cooking with Ski. You ever gone into that restaurant, that really nice restaurant, that steakhouse, and got that really nice, juicy, tender steak or roast beef that was cooked to perfection? In the restaurant, they put a brown sauce on that was so flavorful, so deep, so rich, that it just took your mouth and made butter right out of it. This was the same sauce that I used to make the French onion soup with Demi-Glace episode. This is a two-part episode. The first part is going to be making the Espagnole sauce, which is a mother sauce. The second part of the episode is going to be actually taking that Espagnole sauce or brown sauce and turning it into the Demi-Glace, that liquid gold that I used into the French onion soup, or the restaurants put onto your steak or onto your roast beef. So we're going to go ahead and start getting to know this. It is a two-part episode. The entire sauce took about 8 hours to make. So let's go ahead and get into making this sauce with the Espagnole sauce. We're going to start making this mother sauce, which is the Espagnole sauce, by melting 3 tablespoons of butter. Now we're going to add in our mirepoix, which consists of diced onions and celery. We're going to go ahead and continue to sweat and stir onions until it becomes soft and translucent. Now that we have our mirepoix all sweated, we're going to add in the flour to start developing our roux. At this point, I noticed that my roux was on the dry side, so I just added some more butter to go ahead and build it up a little bit more. Continue to stir and cooking down your flour to get that flour taste out of it. You want a good flavor roux. You do not want the flour taste in it, so continue cooking it down.
Now that we have the roux cooked down, we'll begin adding in the tomato paste. This is going to add a lot of the flavor, the richness, the color. Espagnole sauces, which is a mother sauce, you do use tomato paste or tomato product into your sauce. At this time, go ahead and adding a little bit of seasoning, as well as adding in your beef stock. And I am also going to be adding in beef consomme. At this time, go ahead and bring your stock up to a rapid boil, then reduce to a gentle simmer. As you see, you'll now start to see a scum forming at the surface of your stock. Carefully and gently ladle that out and to make a clean stock for you to work with. Next episode, we'll be dealing with the Demi-Glace or liquid gold, probably the most flavorful sauce out in the culinary world today.